Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning with the Minimalistic kit from CoffeePlannerMom, and I'm very excited because some of you might remember. I should show you first. There was a spread I did, it was in January? I don't remember anymore. Yes, it was January. This spread in January with the boxes and things like that, which it was a great spread and I loved it. But it was not exactly what I was planning to do. I had a pattern in mind with the boxes. It wasn't supposed to go at the top. Turned out great. Love it. Now I want to try and do the spread that I originally thought of, but with this pattern. So wish me luck, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to see how this goes. So I have the entire Minimalistic kit. I have some of the extra deco sheets. I've got the bullets. I've got square boxes. And remember when I got my Simply Gilded stuff? It's the whole reason why I picked this color of Simply Gilded washi. I was like, if I'm going to do washi, I'm just going to go with this kit. Yep, that's how far ahead I thought on this one. So everything's going like normal as I'm planning this spread, but soon things get a little crazy. I will say I love that I got the week where it's the blue coloring at the top. It works really well with this kit. But here I'm now trying to figure out how I'm going to make all of these things that are not squares, and where I'm going to put the squares that are squares. So, I come up with the idea to cut the full boxes. I'm voicing over this because I spent so much time focused on what I was doing that I was not talking at all. I think it worried Sharpie a little bit because he did not know what to do during this planning session. So I even figured out that like the half boxes and like a quarter box would make a square as well, which is kind of fun. But I will say, as excited as I was to do this spread, by the time I got to the end, I was very disappointed. I'm hoping that once I add pen to this spread, it'll kind of like flesh itself out. Because I think the idea itself has merit. I just don't think the execution was great this time around. So does that mean I'm going to try this again? Yep, I surely am. I was trying to figure out how I was going to like connect the two sections. So I ended up going with cutting one of the full boxes into a square and then cutting that into triangles, and then came the washi. I feel like this might have been my downfall this week. Maybe because it's so thin. I probably should have gotten the thicker washi, but I still, the colors are really pretty and the colors really do go with this kit. But I giggled about partway through as this continued that first of all, it's the Minimalistic kit. There's nothing minimal about this spread. And then I kept seeing the quote on the quote sheet that said, well, less is more. Did I heed the advice? Nope. No, I surely did not. See, like, it's just a little wonky, which is okay. Like, again, what I finally, after being grouchy and cranky about it for a while, and like legitimately wanting to cry about this spread, I realized it is just paper and stickers. It's really not the end of the world. But yeah, craziness is about to ensue when I decide to make like boxes of washi. Again, with the really tiny washi. And this is my first really big washi adventure in a really long time. So, and there's so much washi graveyard on my table. Like, so much. And one day I'm going to get like a Fisker's blade or an X-Acto knife or something like that, and that will help. That will help as well. So yeah, full-size washi boxes or partial washi boxes are really hard with the thin stuff. I did use some like pops of darker blue from the Blustery Blue squares, and I'm glad I did. I think it helped, like, you know, there were so many muted tones it just needed a little like pop. Yeah. I don't know if Washi and I are going to be friends for a while. That's not true. I did use Washi immediately following this filming, but yeah, I was just like, well, let's just see how this goes. And it's fine. It's all fine. And I didn't realize how sticky this washi was because it does go over some of the stickers as I'm like kind of pulling, the excess off, and the stickers got super sticky from it. So that'll be interesting to see how that works out, right? Good thing I had a gift card. I'm just saying. And this is the part where I finally tell myself to stop with the boxes. To stop. Because I kept feeling like if I was adding more, it would get better. And it wasn't. So I did, one of the things that I had in mind for this spread was to have the leaves and florals that she created in the kit and in the deco sheets to kind of like pop around almost wreath-like. I don't think I got that across either, but that's okay. Oh, more washi. Why? Why did I think that was okay? It's okay. It's all good. Now, you might be thinking, Holly, if you didn't like this spread, why did you even like voice over it and show it and all that? And the reason is that in the end it's just a planner. It's just a planner. It's still going to work for me. I'm still going to use it functionally. I'm going to do one after the pen because I want people to see what this looks like when it's done. But it's just, you know, it's okay to have a week where the decorations aren't exactly what you thought it was going to be, because in the end you're just going to be writing it. I did put bullet points down for my chores, my zone cleaning, and I'm also still putting down a meal sticker, like my dinner meal prep sticker, like I normally do. Like those things are still the same. But at this point in filming, I was totally dejected. I was just like, this is the worst. I'm glad I took that one piece of washi off, like that extra line. It was unnecessary. So then I was just looking at quotes I could use to make it look a little bit more me. And that's when I was giggling about what quote to use there, because I almost used less is more as like a warning, but I ended up using we rise by lifting others, because this is Read Across America Week, and I know there's a lot going on with that. So, just some thoughts there. So, fun times. And then the last thing I do is make kind of a little flower box at the top instead of putting a quote. So you got a box and then the two leaves and the tulips. So if you liked this video or found it somewhat enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. I do have links below to CoffeePlannerMom.com, as well as my 15% off PR code if you'd like to use it. And I will see you all in the next one.